So today we will start the third episode of our drift trike build series. In this episode we will start the engine and we will quickly put together stanges for this. We will start by fabricating the engine stand, making use of two of the mounting points. Let's start by making the first mount, which will be connected to this mounting point. Now let's make the second mount, which will be connected to these mounting points. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. As a beginner in the world of welding and engines, your support means a lot to me. Stay tuned. In the next video we will set up the front end of our drift trike build seat.